Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to trigger emails after sign up in GetResponse quickly and easily. First, log into your GetResponse account. From the dashboard, click on Automation in the left-hand menu. Now click Create Workflow. You can either choose a pre-built template or click Start from scratch. Once the workflow editor opens, add a trigger. Select Subscribed via a form or Subscribe to a list as the trigger, depending on how new contacts join your list. Next, drag the Send Message action onto the workflow canvas. Connect the Sign Up trigger to the Send Message action. Now choose the email you want subscribers to receive immediately after signing up. If you haven't created the email yet, create a new one, save it, and then select it in the workflow. You can also add a wait action if you'd like the email to be sent after a specific delay instead of instantly. After reviewing your workflow, click Save and Publish. Your automation is now active. From now on, every new subscriber who signs up through the selected form or list will automatically receive the email you've configured. That's it. You've successfully set up an email to trigger automatically after sign up in GetResponse. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick GetResponse tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.